What the fuck, man? What the fuck? Fucking soy dog. No, no. Hey, 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 hey. What the fuck, man?
Maybe you no? Or maybe you want to sing? What you serve? You want to sing along with them? One way. One way. They gotta play one way or another, please. Yeah? And then we're gonna rock.
Yeah guys, Soi Buakhao here, Soi Chaiyapoon, sitting here in the assienda. They're playing Pro Connect here. I just won from them, yeah. But it's really pouring here, a lot of rain, as you can see here. I hope we don't get any floods here, because if it keeps raining like this, you will have some floods at the beach, you know. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. I cannot leave the bar here. I'm stuck here all night.
This is our new tequila shot, and it's slightly bit different colour because it's like tequila gold.
Yeah.
But it is, it's actually from Fireball. There's no Fireball.
It's the same company.
Same company.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, and they basically they wanted to start promoting this for them, and it's our cheapest shot.
Okay.
100 baht a shot.
100 baht.
A
One
shot.
shot. Okay. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it, guys.
Get your camera, you try it.
Yeah.
You got your lemon and salt here.
So what I have to do? What I have to do?
No, what you have to do is you put salt on your wrist there.
But
Put
tell
salt.
me.
Okay, you put salt first.
Salt. Where's the salt? Where's the salt? Oh, here. Okay, Mexico. Okay, salt there?
Yeah. Put the salt in your mouth.
In my mouth?
Yeah.
No.
No, you put your okay. No, neck it.
Okay. Salty?
Drink it.
No, drink it?
No, drink it.
You want the salt in your mouth?
And then put the lemon in. Put the lemon in.
No. Yeah. There you go. You do it all in one go. Yeah.
Stack them at 100 baht a shot.
It's good. It's still pouring down. My last update was 11:30. It's now 12:20. So 50 minutes ago. It's still raining like hard, as you can see. For 1 hour now. And I think we have some floods there at the end here of Soi Chaiyapoon. Because this is lower grounds there. This is still higher grounds, so this is okay. But I think at the end of Soi Chaiyapoon, near Soi Buakhao, I think we have some floods there. So. To be honest, guys, I don't know if it's good. We will have to wait till it's after a few months. This is the opening night. The music wasn't that good. It was very loud. The quality was okay, but not like marvelous. You know, it wasn't that good. And the beer prices. Rock Factory. 75 baht for some Coke. No, not for me, not for me.
It's horrible. In fact, yesterday I had a try of it. I don't like tequila. I thought that's okay, actually. But you know that is 4% stronger than an everything.
I don't like.
It's still pouring here, guys. It's still pouring. Who's winning? Who's winning? Are you winning?
Yeah.
You win?
Yeah, I will.
Oh yeah, you win. Yeah. Yeah, good. Yeah.
How are you
What you do? What you do? You lose.
Yes.
Oh my god. Oh my god.